Up everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your scratch sprite to move. Like you use the WASD keys to move them, or the arrow keys to move them too. So if you want to make this, you can either go do the easy way or the kinda hard way. So I'll show you the easy way. So you go to events, grab your when green flag, click here. You can get here. Go to control, get forever here, and then take the if block and put 4 of them there. Now you're asking me, how do you use it? Like how does it know when you press the keys? Here, you see this one? It says sensing. So we take that. And here, you can see that it says key space press. It also has other stuff. So I'm just going to take the up arrow, this one, and this one down arrow, this one left, and this one right. Okay, so now for the time we have to wait a second. Here. So we take the change y by 10 and take the 10 to make it all the way to 5 instead. Do that 2 times with the another time with the down arrow, but this time put -5. Then you take the change x by 10 and put it in the left arrow because it's different directions. And then you put 5, I think. We'll test it later. -5. There we go. So let's save it. Let's test it. Oh no, I'm wrong. This one is 5 and this one is -5. There we go. Now we try it. There we go. Now we can move. But you want to be a pro and want to do like impress your friends with this, you can just do like this. When green flag clicked, go to my blocks, make a block. You can name the block but I think you should name it control because it will be easy to remember. Here, control. You don't need to take any of these, just name it control and then press OK. And then you get the define control block, and then you got a control block too. We keep it here first, and we might want to go to here so it can go to the middle part, 0, 0. Sorry about that. And now for it to move like this, we put a forever there. Sorry, there we go. We put a control block in the forever loop over here, and then we put over here and then define control, put the if here. Yeah, this one we do the same with the when green flag, but we don't need the forever loop. So this will take me a while. Wait for me. And boom! It just magically appears. Yeah! Woo! Now for it to work, you can either press here or you can press here. I'll press over here. And as you can see, it will glow. And it moved too. And it's not that hard. Kinda. And with this, we can impress your friends with this. That is it for now. Goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.